Today I have a lot of Xbox Series X and S tips and tricks for you. My name is RobinB360, thanks for joining this video, and if you find some value in this video or would like to see more, consider to subscribe and become part of the family. In case you don't like YouTube Shorts, but you do like Xbox Series X and S tips, or you just want to check out the tips at an easy pace, I've combined all my YouTube Shorts about the Xbox Series X and S tips and tricks up until now in one video, just for you. I even added timestamps in case you are searching for a specific tip. And as a special treat, I added a bonus tip that I haven't made a video about yet, so make sure you watch until the end of the video. Let's start with Xbox Series X tip 1. Fix it. Are you having issues with your Xbox? Just press and hold the sync button and press the power button once. When you hear the beep twice, it boots to safe mode. Now you can easily fix most of your issues. Xbox Series X tip 2. Screen resolution issues. If you have screen resolution issues, just press and hold the eject and power button until you hear the beep twice. Now it boots to low resolution mode. You can now change your resolution in the settings and it should work properly. Xbox Series X tip 3. Your personal controller. If you have a controller with your own settings or you want to auto sign in a bit quicker, consider doing this. Go to Settings, Account, Sign in, Security and Passkey, and select This controller signs in. Now this specific controller is linked to your own account. Xbox Series X tip 4. Use old controllers. You might already know this, but if not, it might be helpful. Hold down the small circular button next to the USB port on your new console until the power button starts to flash. Then hold the small circular button on the top of your Xbox One controller until the Xbox button starts to flash. When the flashing stops, they're synced and ready to go. Xbox Series X tip 5. It's movie time. If you want to watch your Blu-ray movies, you first need to install this app. And if you have a decent home theater setup, go to Settings, Devices and Connections, Blu-ray, and turn on Let My Receiver Decode Audio to get the best sound experience. Just a small note, if you liked the video so far and you want to see more in the future, don't forget to subscribe and become part of the family. Now let's continue. Xbox Series X tip 6. Welcome to the future. If you go to Settings, Devices and Connections, Digital Assistants, enable Digital Assistants and follow the instructions, you can control your Xbox with your voice. Hey Google, play Rocket League on Xbox Series X. How cool is that? Xbox Series X tip 7. Customize your controller. Did you know that if you go to Settings, Devices and Connections, and choose Accessories and Configure, you can fully customize your controller. Now you can change the button layout, vibration intensity, make your custom profiles for fighting games, shooters and more. Xbox Series X tip 8. Capture this? You can fine-tune your capture settings by going to Settings, Preferences, Captures and Share. Now you can set the length of a gameplay video to capture, the preferred quality and more. You can even change the button mapping to your liking. Xbox Series X tip 9. Game transfers. Instead of downloading your old games to your new Xbox, go to Settings, System, Backup and Transfers, and then to Network Transfers. Check the option and select what you want to transfer. Just have both Xboxes on the same Wi-Fi. Now you can quickly transfer your games and enjoy your new Xbox faster. Xbox Series X tip 10. Display settings. To get the best display settings, first check what your TV is capable of. In Settings, General, TV and Display Options, then go back and follow the calibration steps, and you can enjoy the best display settings. As promised, here is the bonus tip. If you want to shoot faster in games, change your trigger button to this button. And it can make a difference if you or the enemy makes the kill. We haven't finished yet, because there's one more thing, and that is the question of the day. What Xbox tip do you need to enjoy your new Xbox even more? And if you need PlayStation tips instead of Xbox tips, I also get them ready for you. For now, I want to thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more or want to support me and join the family. Have a nice day and I will see you on the next video.